Aloha kako. I'm going to show you how to cook chicken katsu. It's a popular Hawaiian local dish. You'll need flour, egg, and panko. Using chicken thighs, we'll first dredge it in flour, then dip it in egg. Take it out and cover it in panko. Press down on it to make sure the panko sticks to it. Then repeat the same process with the rest of the chicken. Meanwhile, make sure you have about 1 inch or 2 of oil heated up over medium heat. You can first test if the oil is hot enough by dropping in a small piece of panko. If it starts to bubble consistently, then it is ready. Add your panko chicken to the oil and fry each side for 5 minutes, or until it turns golden brown. To make the Tonkatsu sauce, you'll need 1/2 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon mirin or white wine, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon ginger powder, and 1 clove crushed garlic. Mix all the ingredients together. After your chicken katsu has cooled down, cut it lengthwise in even pieces. Serve it over hot rice with the side of tonkatsu sauce. Enjoy your chicken katsu.